Hi there, this is Srinath. I would like to share my recent experience on the Windows. This is the first screen I have received when I am doing some work. In between, I got this message saying your PC ran into a problem and it's looking for the information and it will restart himself. But doesn't restart after it's completed 100%. Then I manually restarted. After my restart, it's starting updating the latest Windows 10 updates, and for me it took around 1.5 hours to get it complete. In between, it restarted at once, and after the completion, I land up in this page, welcome back page, and we can see what all updates we received. Search the web and your PC from one place. This seems to be interesting. So normally when you do run and do some search, to look for only the PC, but here I think they have given an option. As you can see, it will look for apps, a web, everything. I mean, it's given a nice search here. Let's see what all we have. Keep an editor handy. This is related to Word, I think. Edit multiple language. Yeah. All are web-based MS Office. Life in with 3D. Family safety. Fun activities. Explore your family history. Templates. Emoji. Updates you can pause. The Windows update you can pause. And this is taking a screenshot. This is already available. Let's see what new features we have. This is same again. Let's go to the home page. Check out our latest Windows 10 tips. Think here we can see a lot of categories, and they have given the tips also. The count you can see the below. Getting started with Windows 10, personalize your PC. That is my favorite. And also protect your PC. Yeah, lot of tips they have categorized here. Let's go to this part. Make a picture on your background. Yeah, this is we know. And profile picture, this also we can do. Personalize your lock screen. Yeah, and this is like, oh, they're introducing dark mode here, just like Mac. We'll see that. I'm going to start menu, settings, personalization. Let's see what's themes here. Yeah, themes. This as usual, we can download new themes as well as we can reload themes. Let's see what here mentioned. Yeah, we go to colors, right? And here we can see we can choose light and dark. Let's try this. Yeah, it's a light and dark mode. We can try. There it is. And we can also customize our colors. We can go for any other colors. The default is black. This is very useful when people are working day and night. Yeah, this is cool. Let's see what else. We can create our own theme. Download desktop themes. Yeah, customize desktop color. Yeah, we just saw that. Own colors. Yeah, increase the font, audio, and clean up the task. Yeah, dark theme, we just saw that. Handwriting also we can add it. Yeah. So this all we have in this, and let's see now how we can pass the updates. I'm looking for Windows Update section here. Here you can see it got recent updates, it got congratulations, and here we have option called pass updates for 7 days. So this comes handy. I mean, whenever when people are working in between, it has to restart several times. So this passing updates will help us. Mostly, I think in weekends it will perform some updates. This comes handy. Yeah, that's all I have. Thank you.